In this video, we will discuss how to use ChatGPT in a perfect way so that you can get maximum output from this platform. So, first of all, we have to tell to ChatGPT how it has to behave like a content writer. Now, the second point we have to mention is that we have to give him a task like generate a article on how to use chat GPT, right? And now we can give him how much article length, right? So we will give it like article length must be 300 words, right? Okay, and there is spelling mistakes, let it correct it and enter. Now we have to wait and it will give us a professional content writer like article on the chat GPT, how to use chat GPT point. So you can use this chat GPT model for different of tasks, like you can ask it for a program to generate and how APIs building development. You can you can use it to help you in different scenarios. Well, it is generating our article. Once it will done, we will ask him to give us a number of words it generated. So you can see that how efficiently it generating the content, right? Okay, so have you noticed that in last it used in conclusion, I mean as a content writer it used conclusion at the end of the article. It used introduction in the starting, right? ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks, right? Then it tells us the first step, one of the most popular use, another popular use, right? So introduction, uses, working process, overall, right? And then conclusion. So you have to tell him that how it have to behave, right? You can tell him that behave like a doctor, behave like an engineer, behave like a SEO executive, right? We can ask him behave like a SEO person, okay? And then we can tell that now give me a perfect SEO title for above article, right? We are asking for title, right? Mastering ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide on how to use OpenAI's language model for text generation, question and answer and more. Okay, so it just give us a SEO title for above the articles, right? You can ask it to SEO keywords. You can ask him, let me ask him, okay, now give me SEO keywords. ChatGPT, OpenAI language model, text generation, okay, API, question answering, language related task. 14 keyword it generated. Okay, now let's ask some more questions. Give me some trending keywords for chat GPT on YouTube. Okay, ChatGPT tutorial, ChatGPT demo, ChatGPT text generation, ChatGPT question answering, ChatGPT use cases, ChatGPT language model, ChatGPT versus other language models, and different multiple keywords. And it add in note, these are keywords based on my knowledge cut off, and it's always good to check the current trend and update the keywords accordingly. So you can ask ChatGPT to use it in perfect way. So you have to give him a task like behave like, give me this, and that's it. I mean, nothing more to say. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video is really an helpful video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you very much.